Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Courtney Lene. Yes, and so today I'm working with a company called Luvme Hair. Yup, Luvme Hair, and they sent me this beautiful package. I'm like so excited to see it. So yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, it took like, I say like a full week to, like a week and a half to come. It took a week and a half to come, but it came in a DHL, like DHL sent it, and it came in this cute little box. Okay, so Luvme Hair with a cute little purple box. So cute. So let's open it. This is an unboxing, an install, a review of everything in one. Yeah, all that I know. Sure. Let's look. Okay, so this is what comes into the box. So it's this. Okay. This is the hair. I got a U-part wig, and they sent me a U-part wig, and the inch is 20 inch 1B color, and it comes in this cute little bag, and then the hair is wrapped up in a little net. Disclaimer, I did wash my hair. Like, I washed this hair and I let it air dry for a day. So I would suggest all you guys just wash your hair, because you know, you just never know. Like, let's just take safety precautions, you feel me? Yeah, so I washed the hair, and it came out like really cute. When I first took it out of this, it was like wavy, so it was cute. And then I washed it, I let it air dry. It had a little curl in it or whatever. So this is the hair, like lightly flat ironed and stuff. It's like poppin'. It's giving what it's supposed to be giving. Like, this hair feels so soft, I ain't gonna lie to you. Then on the inside, it comes with 3 clips on the top and 1 clip in the back on the bottom. Then it comes with like an adjustable strap. And yeah, this baby's not going anywhere. Anywhere. Okay, let's see what else came in it. And then I got this little baggie, so that's real cute. I like that. Let's see what came in the bag. So I got me a little edge brush. Could never use too many of those. They sent me some bobby pins. I actually really needed some. They sent me this cute little like clip that says Luvme Hair. Oh, that's cute. Oh, then they put an adjustable strap in there. That's what's up. And then this like satin edge holder or something like that. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is real classy. Purple's real classy, y'all. I like that. Oh, and they gave me some. Oh, and they gave me some tweezers. Oh, fancy. Okay, that's cute. I like this. Oh, and then this was probably like what? They sent me a flat iron that says Luvme Hair. So I'm about to plug this up and I'm actually gonna use it. I'm gonna see if it actually really works. But just in case, I got my flat iron plugged up too. Just in case, honey, okay? And then, oh, they sent me a little note. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on, Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. Thanks, Helena. And then they sent me 2 wig caps. I will use this for another install. And then this picture, and it gives you like some like instructions on how to like care for your hair and stuff. You probably can't see that. Y'all don't care about this. And yeah, that was everything. So let's get started. I first do want to see what this is giving. We're gonna take this part. I use the comb chase method. So I'm gonna use this Luvme hair. Let's see what it's gonna get. It's just not hot enough for me. It's cute though, but I'm gonna use my chi. Okay, so then what we do is we take that, y'all. Nah, I'm not even hyping this. Like, I'm really trying not to hype this. Like, I promise y'all I'm not trying to hype this. Like, what? But I gotta get closer. Cause what it's giving is that. Yo, what? Nah, cause what it's giving is that. Yeah, Luvme here, y'all did this, because this is like, yo, my boyfriend is gonna love this. Hey yo, hey yo. It's bouncing. You know what, let's call him. Let's see what he said. Period. Period. How you like it?
I love it.
You love it? Yeah. So
it's bouncy.
It's bouncy, huh, baby?
Stiff.
Stiff where? Huh? Huh? Stiff. Stiff where?
Stiff where?
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. This hair is legit soft. Like, it's legit soft. Now, does it hold a curl? I don't know. I think that would probably be the one downside about this hair, is I don't think it holds a curl well, because as you can see, it's kind of already falling. It's kind of already falling, but maybe if you guys put spritz in it or something, like, the curls will stay. But it's giving, and I'm 5'7", and this hits like my mid back, so it's cute. It's giving what they said it was supposed to do. I love it. So yeah, it has a regular hair smell, and it was mad soft. The price it was about, how much was this here? I actually don't know, but I will put everything down in the description. I will let y'all know everything, and I also have a discount code that will be also in the description box. But yeah, comment what hairstyle y'all want to see next, what hair company y'all want to see next, what color y'all want to see on me. I'm thinking of a blonde, like I'm thinking of a blonde long 30-inch wig. So if you know any companies that got some bomb hair and want me to review it, let me know. But yeah, this is giving, it's giving like real like classy, because it's like not too long. It's giving Tiana G Herbo, baby mama. I roll my eyes because I'm team Ari. Purr team Ari. She's a Cancer, I'm a Cancer, period. Yeah, but this length and this like hairstyle is giving Tiana, a Tiana. But yeah, this hair company yet again is from Luvme Hair, AliExpress, but they have their own website. So yeah, like this hair was very cheap, very affordable, poppin'. So I will give you guys a 2-month update in 2 months. So until next time, stay cute. Bye.